If you've ever managed a Telegram channel, you know how important it is to keep your channel looking fresh and up to date. Today, I'll show you step by step how to delete your Telegram channel's old profile picture. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to remove an outdated image or swap it out for something new, helping your channel stay professional and appealing to your audience. Let's jump right in. First, open your Telegram app and head straight to your channel. If you're in a long list of chats, just scroll until you find your channel and give it a tap. This ensures you're working with the correct space. Sometimes people accidentally open a group or their personal chat, so double-check it's definitely your channel. Once you're inside the channel, you'll notice the profile picture at the very top, along with the channel's name. Go ahead and tap on the channel's profile image or its name banner. This brings up your channel's main profile page where you can view info, edits, and the current profile photo. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small pencil icon. That's your edit tool. Tap the pencil. This opens the editing mode for your channel. Don't worry if the screen changes a little. It just means you're now able to make updates to your channel details. When you're in the edit mode, you'll see your profile picture displayed larger and more prominently. Tap on the profile photo itself. Telegram makes this quite intuitive. It brings up options so you can either change, add, or remove the picture. If your goal is to update the profile picture, you'll want to select a new image. Select Replace or the image icon, then browse your device's gallery for your new picture. Let's say you've just rebranded or updated your logo. Simply pick the file that best represents your current channel identity. Once you tap the new photo, Telegram might ask you to crop or adjust it to fit neatly. Go ahead and do that. It's quite similar to adjusting profile pics on social media, so you may already be familiar with the process. On the other hand, if you just want to delete the profile picture instead of replacing it, look for the profile picture circle again in edit mode. Tap it, then check the top right corner. You'll see a small trash bin or delete icon. Don't worry if it's not super obvious at first. Sometimes it takes a second to appear. Tap delete and Telegram will remove your channel's profile photo, leaving it without an image. This is perfect if you want to give your channel a fresh start, or maybe you don't want any branding displayed at the moment. Just a quick tip, when you delete or replace your channel's profile photo, the change is instant and your followers will see the update right away. So make sure you're happy with your choice before hitting confirm. That's all there is to it. Whether you're refreshing your channel's look or just cleaning up old images, you now know how to easily delete or swap out your Telegram channel's profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or if you want more Telegram tips and tricks. And of course, subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. See you in the next one.